Top 10 Essay Topics About Euthanasia. Euthanasia, Moral Issues and Clinical Challenges. In this essay, consider ethical theories and perspectives from various individuals and groups. You can discuss healthcare professionals' clinical challenges when dealing with end-of-life decisions. We also suggest you look into real-life case studies to illustrate the dilemmas and tensions arising in euthanasia discussions. Euthanasia and Modern Society. Detail how euthanasia has become a prominent topic in modern society, discussing changing attitudes towards death and medical advancements. How did cultural shifts and legal developments impact the debates surrounding euthanasia? Analyze how media and other social factors have shaped the conversation around the right to die. Euthanasia and Humans' Right to Die. This paper explores the concept of a person's right to die with dignity, examining the arguments for and against euthanasia to honor this right. Outline how individual beliefs and cultural norms influence this right. You could emphasize the role of patient autonomy, informed consent, and the importance of compassionate end-of-life care. Why active euthanasia is morally wrong. When writing about this topic, you should present a compelling argument against active euthanasia. Some points to consider are ethical principles, the sanctity of life, the slippery slope argument, and the potential for abuse in euthanasia decisions. You could also offer alternative approaches to end-of-life care that prioritize palliative care and holistic support for patients and their families. Euthanasia and assisted suicide. To start this paper, define the distinction between euthanasia and assisted suicide, discussing the ethical and legal implications of each. Then, talk about the circumstances in which assisted suicide may be considered an option for terminally ill patients. Analyze how different jurisdictions and countries approach this topic and the debates surrounding it. Is euthanasia a morally wrong choice for terminal patients? This essay critically assesses the potential consequences for patients and society when euthanasia is legalized or prohibited. We recommend considering alternative viewpoints and the ethical dilemmas patients and healthcare providers face when navigating end-of-life decisions. Religious views on euthanasia. Detail the diverse religious perspectives on euthanasia, ranging from acceptance to strong opposition. You can investigate how different faiths and belief systems influence attitudes toward death and the sanctity of life. What are the complexities of accommodating diverse religious views within legal and healthcare frameworks? When ethics and euthanasia conflict. When writing this essay, consider the ethical conflicts that arise when discussing euthanasia within the context of medical ethics and professional responsibilities. Focus on the challenges healthcare providers face when personal beliefs conflict with their duty to provide compassionate care. You can highlight the importance of open dialogue and guidelines in resolving conflicts and ensuring patient-centered care. A new fight to legalize euthanasia. You can talk about the motivations behind the efforts to legalize euthanasia, such as patient advocacy and end-of-life autonomy. You could also look into the potential impact of these campaigns on the global debate surrounding this practice. What are the challenges faced in enacting legislative changes? Advantages and disadvantages of euthanasia in modern society. This paper provides a balanced examination of the advantages and disadvantages of this practice. The potential benefits include pain relief and preserving dignity. On the other hand, there are concerns about abuse and the possible devaluation of human life. In conclusion, you could offer insights into how modern society grapples with these complex considerations.